Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the complexities of traditional brokerage accounts? Tired of hefty fees and limited investment options? If so, then Questrade might be the solution you've been searching for. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps of setting up a Questrade account and unlocking the world of commission-free trading. Imagine having a personal financial assistant that's always available, accessible from the comfort of your home. Questrade offers just that. It's a Canadian online brokerage platform that's revolutionizing the way people invest. With Questrade, you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and more without paying any commission fees. Step-by-step guide. 1. Visit the Questrade website. The first step is to head over to the Questrade website. You can find it by searching for Questrade in your preferred search engine. 2. Create an account. On the home page, you'll likely see a prominent Open an Account button. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to provide some basic personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. 3. Verify your identity. To ensure the security of your account, Questrade will require you to verify your identity. This usually involves providing a copy of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. 4. Fund your account. Once your account is verified, you'll need to fund it with money. Questrade offers various funding options, including bank transfers, wire transfers, and even cryptocurrency deposits. 5. Explore the platform. Now that your account is funded, it's time to explore the Questrade platform. You'll find a user-friendly interface with tools and features designed to help you make informed investment decisions. 6. Start trading. Once you're comfortable with the platform, you can start trading. Search for the stocks, ETFs, or other investments you're interested in and place your orders. Remember to do your research and develop a solid investment strategy before making any trades. Additional tips. Take advantage of Questrade's educational resources. They offer articles, webinars, and other materials to help you learn more about investing. Consider using Questrade's mobile app. It allows you to trade and monitor your investments on the go. Explore the platform's advanced features. Questrade offers tools like charting, option strategies, and portfolio analysis. Setting up a Questrade account is a straightforward process that can open up new opportunities for you as an investor. With its commission-free trading and user-friendly platform, Questrade is a great choice for both beginners and experienced investors. So, what are you waiting for? Start your investment journey today by creating a Questrade account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, investing is a personal journey, and it's important to do your own research and make informed decisions.